Okay, another question. How important are titles in the market? Are they worth negotiating for? Yes, yes. Titles are definitely worth negotiating for. Um, so in the market, um, a title at one company will be different at another, in terms of what they actually do. But if you know what your future job is, what your future job that you want is, it can be very helpful to negotiate your title, because that can help set you up for that job. And I'll give you an example of when I negotiated my title. I worked they wanted to hire me as a human resources coordinator, right? But based on the work they were going to have me do, it was it was a high level HR coordinator position, but a low level HR generalist position. So I negotiated my title to be HR generalist. And then that helped me get the next position because because my next position, I was hired as an HR generalist, but it was doing even higher level HR generalist work. So by having a higher level title, that helped me to get more salary in my next position and apply to positions. It's easier to do a lateral than to get a job above. And your title is one of the factors that help determine if a job is a lateral or one above you. So, absolutely, Nicole, titles do matter. And there's also, for example, in the federal government, there's like your working title and then your formal title. Your formal title is going to be what's on your performance appraisal, your offer letter, your there's like a lot of jobs called management analysts. Like everyone and their mom is a management analyst, but you may have also a working title that you can use on your resume, so you can put it in parentheses, for example. So are you a management analyst, but are you a chief learning officer, or are you a HR, whatever? So you can also massage titles that way. So absolutely.